lot of people ask, how can I make sure this doesn't happen again? Well, the first thing is with groin hernias, there's very little risk of it happening again. We know that your risk of it coming back is in that 2 to 3% range. So after we get it fixed, you can really go back to normal activity. The best thing I can tell you to do really is to stay in shape, be at a good healthy weight. So, avoid obesity. If you are overweight, try and lose some weight and get that BMI down below 30. And be active, get on a walking program, do regular exercise. Obviously we want to wait that 4 to 6 weeks after a midline hernia repair to let everything heal really well. But once everything's healed, I want you to get in shape. I want you to be active. I want you to be out and walking and, playing golf and running after the kids or the grandkids or whatever. But whatever keeps the weight off and keeps you in a good, healthy body is the best thing you can do to prevent hernias from coming back.